Hi there, Caleb here with Horn Shop, showing off this Weltklang by BNS baritone saxophone. It's been fully overhauled, so it's got brand new pads, all keyworks and silencers replaced, tone holes leveled, everything. It's a used horn, but it's in as good of condition as it could ever be. It's a really sturdy instrument with modern ergonomic keywork and be a great player with a big sound for whatever kind of playing that you're looking to do. Thank you.